All right, folks, found another little kind of trickle fall, like a shower, as Michelle said. So, shower falls. I don't know of anything being named here, but it's kind of neat. The whole fall system all the way down. And just still kind of edging the bluffage. Checking out all the cool big rocks. And you can see all the little nooks and crannies in the bluffage. I think that's fun. And still quite a bit of public land to explore, which is what we're pretty much doing today. Scary. Alrighty, folks. Still checking out the area of the bluffage. Look at that. I think that's kind of neat. I wanted to show it. Got that rock up there. Just kind of balancing. Not really balancing, just hanging out on the big bluffage boulder attached. But got a really cool shelter up here. So I'm going to make my way up there and check it out, see what it looks like. It looks like it's kind of pretty cool, all the black and stuff like that. So maybe a pretty neat looking shelter. Lots of carvings in this shelter. And I don't know, that kind of says 1905. I don't know if it's 1905 though. I kind of think it's modern. That says 1821. I don't know, it could be. There's some that say like 1905, 1821. I don't know. It could be.
So these are old. You want to know why?
Why?
Because their lettering is fancy and neat and modern.
Okay. And it probably is old.
Because, yeah, we're soft.
Yeah. But it's a really neat area. And there's up here, I noticed there's a chair in the shelter, I guess because it's a good view. But I noticed there's a bunch of trash in the milk crate, so kudos to whoever did that. At least they put it in there. They didn't carry it out, but at least they didn't leave it. That's interesting looking. So, kudos. That looks like someone probably actually picked that up from out here. Yeah, someone's picked up trash. That's what that is. Good deal. Good for whoever did that. Good on you. But, kind of neat. Very neat.
This is 1900.
Does it? There's one over here that says 1821. Yeah, it's probably old. That's interesting there. Alrighty, folks. Found this hole in this shelter. And there you go. It's a window. It is a full-on window. And there's a little window there. But that is really cool. It's a full-on window. So, thought that was really neat. Need to show that. There's another little like handle window over here. Right there. Teeny tiny, nothing serious, nothing like that. This is cool. Cool area. Little holes. All sorts of little holes.
So crooks and crannies.
Little crooks and nooks and crannies. This is neat. There's that shelter with with the chair that was up there and all the carvings. And here's this with Michelle in there. Isn't that cool? And over here, there's even more. That's pretty neat over here. Oh, another window.
Is there?
Oh, wow. That's cool. All right, folks. Got a window up here. Hard to see, but there's what it looks like around. But this is really cool. Look at that. There's all sorts of, there's a window, there's a window, there's a little window back there. That's just really cool. I like that. That's neat. You can see little holes, little windows. That's fun. All right, so walking the bluff line here, seeing all these cool rocks. Found this one. It looks like it's connected at the top, but it looks like it's not. It looks like it may have been connected and it slid. It fell, it broke, it slid. That's what I'm thinking now that I look at it. It kind of...
It's a window to the waterfall.
It's a window to the waterfall. So in a way, it's a window all in itself. And it's kind of the biggest one I've ever seen. Look at that.
I found you a heart.
Heart for Michelle. Heart for Brenda. Heart for everyone. Isn't that cool? And here's a little waterfall. Oh, wow. This whole, wow. Check that out. Holy moly. Wow, this area is so crazy. There's even more bluffage down here. Is that another window? Could be another window over here. All right, Michelle found this rock with fern growing on top of it. It looks like a rock with hair. But while it's really beautiful, pretty, the neat thing is, on the other side, it's a split rock, where you can tell that it was together at one time. Alrighty, folks. We have moved down to the creek portion of this hike, and it's pretty. It's a very pretty creek. Kind of blue, has a blue tint, and we're just gonna kind of cross it and follow it and make our way back towards the truck. Check out this area. Really cool. Little waterfalls, really nice big pool. Part of the creek, and you can see the creek just all the way up. There's like little falls all throughout the creek, almost like a Ghost Dance Canyon feel in a way, or maybe a blood grotto near Stoneface, something like that. All right. Would have had a newt or a salamander on video, but it seen me and knew who I was and skedaddled. But Michelle got a photo of it, so you should have all seen that before this video was made, or before it was published. Alrighty, folks, back at the truck. This is our loadout of trash. We got 1 bag, 1.5 bag of trash. So we got some pretty good trash. Like I said, save the bags, take them with you on a hike. It's always good to collect trash and make the forest a little bit cleaner. So back at the truck and going to go eat. So thanks for watching.
Dude.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
And until next time, I'll see you on the trail.